All right, number 7. A basketball coach listed the shooting average of 4 players on the team. So below we have the top shooters, we have the players' names, and then we have their shooting average. So we have Devaney with 0.441, we have Janet with 0.377, Tracy with 0.313, and then we have Veronica with the mystery amount. Veronica has a higher shooting average than Janet, but a lower shooting average than Devaney. Which could be the shooting average of Veronica? So again, that's pretty wordy, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this part again, and I'm going to think about the key words that I might need to help me figure out what it is that I'm looking for. So it says Veronica has a higher shooting average than Janet. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to box that in and think about that. Veronica has a higher shooting average than Janet. So if I'm thinking about the highest shooting average and the lowest shooting average, Veronica is going to be higher than Janet. So I'm going to go ahead and put Veronica here, and she's higher than Janet, so I'm going to list Janet here. Okay, that's what that means to me right now. Lowest to highest. Okay, going to go ahead and continue reading. But lower shooting average than Devaney. So when I read that word but, I need to go back and think about who are they comparing to Devaney. It's Veronica. Veronica is lower, has a lower shooting average than Devaney. Veronica has a lower shooting average than Devaney. So I'm thinking Devaney would be here. Alright. Lower shooting average. Okay, let's see if that makes sense. Veronica is higher than Janet. Veronica is higher than Janet. Okay? Veronica is lower than Devaney. Veronica is lower than Devaney. Yeah, that makes sense. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about what each of these players, what their numbers are. I'm going to fill those in. So we have Devaney right here at the top with 0.441. We have Janet with 0.377. And so we're looking for an amount that would fit in between. So I'm going to carefully look at each of my answer choices, each place value very carefully to find the one that is between. Once you find your answer, I want you to come and let me check over your paper to see how you did.